My name is Shotgun Stevens. I'm a professional wrestler, so I call the shots. I know how salesmen can be, so let me show you how negotiating works. Take control and be alpha. So here are some subtle techniques and phrases that you can use to do just that. You!
Yes, can we help you? Hey, how can we help you?
Alright, that's enough. Let me do the talking here. I'm here to buy a 50-inch Samsung Smart TV, and I'm not paying a dime over $7.99.
Actually, with our sale on now until December 31st, that TV is only $5.99.
Well, if you don't... Wait, what?
And actually, everything's on sale now until December 31st at Boxing Day prices.
How much is this Whirlpool washer dryer?
This is on for $17.99.
What else have you got?
I got lots.
How much is this?
It's actually $1,000 off. It's only $11.99.
How much is this one?
That's on for $7.99.
How much is this?
$5.99.
I've always wanted a dog.
This one's on sale.
On sale? Alright. I need you to hold on to this for me.
Whatever you buy today, you can take home today. You don't have to wait.
What? Really?
How did you?
I gave him an offer he couldn't refuse. It's a TV!